Why do ships and planes vanish without a trace in Bermuda Triangle? Bermuda Triangle, also called Devil's Triangle, is a triangular-shaped area in the North Atlantic Ocean, from Bermuda Island to Miami, USA, and Puerto Rico. The Bermuda Triangle is not small. In fact, it is quite large and covers an area of 440,000 miles of sea. This is larger than the combined area of Indian states, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. The first person to report about Bermuda Triangle was Christopher Columbus. He wrote in his journals that inside the triangle, the ship's compass stopped working, and he also saw a fireball in the sky. It was author Vincent Gaddis who coined the phrase Bermuda Triangle in a 1964 magazine article. Bermuda Triangle is one of the rare places on Earth where the compass does not point towards magnetic north. Instead of that, it points towards true north, which creates confusion. And that's why so many ships and planes lost its course in the triangle. Hundreds of people and numerous boats, ships and planes have disappeared inside this triangle. Moreover, Bermuda Triangle is certainly not fixed, and its effect can be experienced outside of the triangle too. The disappearances are ascribed to UFOs and alien activity, the city of Atlantis lost under the triangle, sea monster, water spouts, and other natural and geographical reasons. Whenever any plane or ship disappears in the triangle, its debris cannot be found. The reason behind this is that Gulf Stream runs near the triangle, which quickly gets rid of the debris. Paranormal explorers claimed they found a massive crystal pyramid lurking beneath the ocean in the triangle. They implied this may be responsible for crashing ships and aircraft. However, a proven case of this has never been recorded. But strangely, there have been reports from sailors of water starting to bubble and foam for no apparent reason. There are a few obvious logical problems with this theory, including that methane exists naturally around the world, and such an incident has never been known to happen. Some writers have expanded upon Berlitz's ideas about Atlantis, suggesting that the mythical city may lie at the bottom of the sea, and be using its reputed crystal energies to sink ships. The most notable theory of the Bermuda Triangle is electronic fog. It is a meteorological phenomenon which sticks to an aircraft or a ship. Scientists have now claimed that hexagonal clouds creating air bombs, with winds of up to 170 miles per hour, could be responsible for hundreds of unsolved incidents at sea. The storms are said to be so powerful that ships and planes can be plunged into the sea in an instant. Researchers also noted that large-scale clouds were appearing over the western tip of the island of Bermuda, ranging from 20 to 55 miles wide. Using radar satellites to measure what was happening underneath the unusual clouds, the research group found sea level winds were also reaching dangerously high speeds, creating waves as high as 45 feet as a result. They are formed by what are called microbursts, and they're blasts of air that come down out of the bottom of a cloud and then hit the ocean. These environmental factors create waves that can sometimes be massive in size as they start to interact with each other. Huge underwater gas explosions could explain the disappearance of ships in the triangle. Because of accidental drillings or landslides under the surface of the Earth, the wide bed of gas could be unlocked, reducing the density of water dramatically. Due to extremely low density water, ships suddenly sink to the bottom. The combustible gas could also blow aircraft to pieces. Some, like Australian scientist Dr. Karl Krushelnitsky, simply blame human error. According to Lloyd's of London and the US Coast Guard, the number of planes that go missing in the Bermuda Triangle is the same as anywhere in the world on a percentage basis. Scientists from all over the globe are trying to figure out the reasons for these anomalies. Do you know any other Bermuda Triangle stories? Do you have another theory for all these abnormalities? Share them in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for our latest updates.